Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to disable account code on specific product in Shopify. So Shopify doesn't give a direct disable discount for this product button, but you can control each product discount code applied by using a discount condition when creating the discount itself. This way, you can prevent certain products from being discounted, no coding or app required. And here's how you can do it. So when you create a discount code in Shopify admin, then from there go to discount, then click on create discount. Then you can now set conditions under the minimum requirement and customers eligibility section. Most importantly, under applies to, you can choose to apply the discount to specific collection or a specific product only. This allows you to exclude any product you want to discounted by simple or not including them into the selection. So if you want more control, like globally blocking discount code from being used on a specific product across your entire store, you can create a special collection for discounts eligible product and limit all the future discounts to that collection. So this automatically keep excluded product from receiving any discount. So for more advanced setup, like blocking automatic discount or stakeable discount issues, you could use apps like Discount Manager, but the most stores Shopify's built-in discount condition are enough. So while Shopify doesn't let you disable discount code on product directly, you can easily control each product are allowed to use discount code by configuring the right condition in the discount settings. No app, no code needed. Thanks.